Hello, friends. Welcome to the weekly expiry update podcast at Kotak Securities. This is Sahaj Agarwal, head of derivative research. So, as Nifty is currently near its medium-term target of 18,600, the volatility in the broader markets have increased significantly. The We see a shift from the mid-cap space towards, and the preference is now towards the frontline stocks. So this primarily indicates that the overall risk perception of the traders at large has reduced to a certain extent, and that's why the preference for frontline stocks. For the October series, the trend support for the index is seen currently at 18,000 levels, and as long as the 18,000 level is held on closing basis, we believe the uptrend is expected to continue. Let's look at some option pointers from the expiry perspective. The maximum OI buildup is seen at the 18,000 put and 18,400 and 18,500 call options. Uh, for the monthly series, we're seeing the buildup at 18,000 puts and 18,500 call strikes. For Bank Nifty, the buildup is seen at 39,500 put and 40,000 call options. Now, as mentioned earlier, the trend support for the market is seen at 18,000 odd levels, and a sustain above that indicates that the trend of the market or the medium term perspective still remains positive for newer highs. So, caution would be advised, or real panic is expected to set in case if that level breaches. From the expiry perspective, the FI and the Pro segment have witnessed a negative bias activity, and hence we expect tomorrow's expiry to have a range bound movement. The range that we are expecting to hold is 18,200 and 18,460 on the higher side. So only if the index manages to move above 18,460, then there could be some short covering. Otherwise, negative bias could continue for the expiry session in specific. Thank you. Have a nice trading session.